Hey, hello guys. In this video I'm gonna try to show you how I'm making a Frankenstein air conditioner. I have this joint air conditioner. It is 12,000 BTU, and I had this one for like 4 years just sitting around on top of this other air conditioner, which was my old air conditioner. And as you can see, I have the cover over there, and the control panel from that cover was damaged, so this air conditioner would not operate because there was no way to turn it on. And I had it ever since sitting over there. And now, a few weeks ago, my neighbor threw away this beautiful air conditioner, which I don't know how old it is, but I'm guessing it's from the 80s. And she threw away another one that was bigger than this one, and it was 11 BTU, 11,000 BTU. This one is 8,000 BTU. And with the other one, I took the capacitors and I changed the capacitor in this one, which was damaged, and that was all it had. So this one now operates, but it's only 8,000 BTUs. And what I did is I took the controls from that other 11,000 BTU unit, which is this one. So you can see, it's actually 10,000 BTU, and I turned my digital one, this one that was broken, into analog one. I don't know if you would call it analog, but anyways, it now works with this old control panel. But I only have one problem, is that this control unit only has for high and low speed on the fan, which in the normal operation from this air conditioner has low, medium and high speed. So I'm left with two speeds that I'm not using right now, that I cannot operate because the control does not have for that input, so, or output. What I've done is I took a fan, and I took the control from the high, low and medium, and I'm gonna try to run the fan on this control instead of using these two high and low settings. So with this, I'm gonna run the compressor, and with this, I'm gonna run the fan. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wire this one, which gives power, and this control here, and then I'm gonna remove this one, which is the high setting, and I'm gonna connect it to the high setting here, which will be the red one, the white on the red, then these other two, which is the medium and low. I'm gonna connect to the medium and low setting on this switch. Hopefully, these cables are very thin, but they are soldered inside, and I don't want to break this apart. So I'm gonna just try to connect them to these ones and see what happens. So I'm gonna do that now. Come back to you later. Okay, so now I finished wiring the fan control, and I have it on low setting. I'm gonna go get the extension cable power up so that we can test this. Be right back.